So only the front we chop it.
Morning, Mr. Ter.
What's up, guys? It's Steven here from Rennen Autoteile. We sell premium Mercedes-Benz and BMW parts. Today, we got something special for you. This is a 2022 BMW F44 Gran Coupé 2 Series. One of our long-standing customers who specializes in rebuilding has two of these, both smashed in the front. One on the left front, the other on the right front. Usually in SA, most accident damage vehicles are front smash. Today, we have an anomaly, and we're going to show you how we prepare this front nose section. As you can see, we have already moved the suspension and the engine. Why this is so special is because every single bolt, nut, clip, any and every bracket, everything the customer needs for the entire front end of this vehicle will be supplied. So we will be cutting through on the A-post and through the floor so that from this section complete right through till the front, the customer will have every single bolt, nut, clip, everything needed for this 2 Series Gran Coupé. Headlights complete with control units, cradle complete, bonnet locks, complete radiator pack with the fan, lower chassis extensions, water bottle, washer fluid bottle, brake booster, ABS pump, everything absolutely complete, right down to the plastic trims and rubbers. We'll be removing the windscreen, we'll be removing the dash, removing our front doors, removing our sill covers, front seats, center console, so that we can cut the section complete. So for the first step, we'll be removing the windscreen wipers and the windscreen cowl, removing the windscreen moldings as well as the mirror to prepare to remove the windscreen itself.
So we can set the vehicle and get it ready for stripping. Windscreener.
I got the wire.
Let's get going, Beno. Just pull out those moldings. Let's get these wipers out, windscreen cowl out, get ready for it. So now we've got the wipers removed, the cowl removed. What we're going to do is we're going to insert a wire underneath the bottom seal inside and try to pierce through the sealant that's obviously holding the windscreen down. And then what we'll do is we'll just cut open that seal with the wire, get the windscreen out.
Okay.
Now this is our makeshift windscreen removal tool. So we're basically just putting it through the spanner so the spanner can act as a handle and not obviously hurts us if we're trying to hold the wire alone as we're cutting. Holding the spanner gives us some leverage. Yeah, that's what we've been doing for a while now.
Yeah, that's what it is. I was waiting for the
Yeah, I'm not sure he's gonna get it today, but we'll push. We're gonna start stripping now, and then if we able to cut, we'll cut today. But we're gonna push now. Sure. Basically, the customer's ready to pick up, and yeah, we're just starting the stripping now. We haven't even got to making our marks for cutting yet. So yeah, this is the joys of everyday hustle, but we never give up. That's why you always choose us.
What's the cardboard for?
So basically, it's just a small precautionary measure we use to put between, excuse me, the dash and our wire, just so that our wire doesn't rip up any pieces of the dash,
Okay.
cut through the dash in any way.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's see.
So now we have to do a reinsert
With the wire.
because our wire snapped. But it's okay because we got infinity wire. Could even be your angle that you're pulling up against the metal, and that's gonna cut your wire easy. But that's a good thing because we'd rather our wire get cut than damage anything on the vehicle. Are you going to the corner? You're almost there. So we finally broken the seal right around the whole windscreen. Now we can remove the windscreen. After we do that, we'll remove the hood lining. As you can see, the hood lining was already loose, as the same customer already has received the curtain airbags. So we're going to clear up the windscreen, clear up the hood lining, get started on the dash, seats and center console. We have to get this going.
Ooh wee!
Magic. Let's go door, seats, what, there's super hot. You know, you heard what it is. So we got our bottom hinge, top hinge, check strap, and our wiring. Once all that's removed, door can come out and we'll move it. Now we're removing the seats, getting them out the way, clear the part to cut through on the bottom.
console out.
Sensor console out. We just remove these last little units here. Get started on the dash. Best way to do it is take the whole thing out complete. Let's see if we can get it done. This is your airbag control unit, and yeah, it just sits here underneath the dash, completely out the way, and basically communicates with all the airbags, their functions, presets, what. That's your guy. See, we got some wiggle. The only thing that's holding us back now is the wiring. That's it. Alright, so let's just find them, get them out the way. Dash complete, Baba. Oh, 1 second. Alright, let's go. Wait for me there. Alright, let's go. So, as you can see, we've already removed the dash, sensor console, doors, sill covers, everything's ready and prepared for cutting. So all we have left to do in the morning is make our markings and cut the section so the customer can have his complete nose section with all attachments. Day 2, starting early. We're gonna set up now. Basically, for sure. Basically, we're gonna pull the car out from there, have it nicely in this area, then we can set up for the section to be cut and fall nicely onto that pallet, pick it up with the pallet, supply it straight to the customer. Deal is done.
Awesome. Safety first.
We just confirmed with the customer. He doesn't need that brake booster, ABS pump, and these two strut bars. So we're just going to remove those pieces, as well as these two brake lines going to the back. We're just going to remove those so that when we're cutting, we obviously don't cut through. It's not very common that people do need brake lines. That being said, we have to take care of all your needs. So we make sure we keep everything that we have.
We want to remove the bar underneath the car with the exhaust.
Okay.
This is a brake booster.
Now, sorted. The section ready.
Teamwork is the dreamwork, my man. Yeah, we're dealing with a dream team, the A team. You know how we do it here.
You know the story. No other way.
So, what we'll do now is we'll, together with the salesman, we'll do a final assessment of all the parts that's on this nose cut section. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've completed cutting through with the section. Now we're just going to go through with the delivery notes and the salesman. We show all the parts that's required from the customer is there, and whatever the customer doesn't need, we remove. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, put something in the comments. Let's get a conversation going. Maybe you need a little bit of help learning how to remove something. Maybe you need a little bit of advice, or maybe you're just looking for something. Get in touch with us. Blah 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 blah.